Hello Excel fans, welcome back to RD Excel. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into one of the most fundamental and powerful functions in Excel, the if function. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, understanding how to use if is essential for creating dynamic and intelligent spreadsheets. So let's get started. The if function in Excel is your go-to tool when you want to make decisions based on certain conditions. It allows you to perform different actions depending on whether a specified condition is true or false. Let's break down the syntax before jumping into practical examples. The syntax of the if function is quite straightforward. It consists of three main components. Logic test. This is the condition you want to evaluate. It could be a comparison, a calculation, or any expression that results in either true or false. Second, value if true. If the logical test evaluates to true, this is the value or action that will be taken. It can be a number, text, or a reference to another cell. Third, value if false. If the logical test evaluates to false, this is the value or action that will be taken. Like value if true, it can be a number, text, or a reference to another cell. Now let's put this into action with a practical example. Suppose you have a list of scores and you want to categorize each score as either pass or fail based on a passing threshold of 60. Here is how you would use the if function. You would enter the formula is equal to if, hit tab button, logical test. D6 is greater than 60. Here the logical test is checking if the value is cell D6 is greater than or equal to 60. If true, it returns pass. If false, it returns fail. Drag the formula up to end. Now let's check out some more examples. Nested if. So what exactly is a nested if function? Well, it's an Excel formula that allows you to include multiple if statements within each other. This can be incredibly useful when dealing with situations that require more than one condition to be evaluated. Let me show you how it works. Let's say we have a data set of student grades and we want to assign a letter grade based on their scores. We will use nested ifs to create a formula that considers different score ranges. Firstly, let's start with a basic if statement. If the score is greater than or equal to 80, the student gets A grade. Now, here is where the nesting comes in. If the score is greater than equal to 65, the student gets B grade. If the score is greater than equal to 50, the student gets C grade. If the score is greater than equal to 35, the student gets D grade. And if the score is less than 35, the student gets E grade. Close the all brackets and press enter. And there you have it, my friends. Nested if functions can be a bit threatening at first, but with practice, you will find them to be a valuable tool in your Excel resource. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it thumbs up and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.